Yer, what it do, what it do. So, about to do an unboxing for y'all. And crazy thing about this one is bittersweet. Because I'm happy about this. I've been wanting this shoe all season. I've been wanting this shoe. Is it something that I was in love with? No, I kind of like the previous model better. But I was in the DMV one day. I think I had like some Jordan 11s on, some either the Gym Red 11s, or I had my Future of Flight 33s on. So I think I was killing it at the time. But I seen these on foot in the DMV, and I was like, damn, them things look nice on feet. I'm so antisocial. I wanted to ask homeboy, man, like how they feel or whatever. But I didn't talk to them. But I looked, they was nice. I've been wanting these, but it's bittersweet. Because All-Star Game was yesterday. And some other ones came out. Thing about this, you know I wait. I'm cheap. I wait. I try to find me a price. I got these for $108. I don't know if they... Homeboy said he didn't have the box. Well, he said he had the box. I was like, do you have the box? Yes. After I bought him, he was like, I can't find the box. I ain't got them. So, it looked like they had some kind of box in them, but I don't know. Maybe so, maybe not. Got a LeBron box, but not the LeBron box. So it's a Soldier 11 box. So that's good, I guess. But is it some Soldier 11s? It's not supposed to be. Here. Yes, sir. So, I've been wanting these. I've been wanting these since they dropped. I'm so happy I finally got me a pair of LeBron 16s. I was torn because out of these, in the equalities or the unities, whatever, equality ones, I was debating on those. That's the ones I wanted. All-Star Game comes, the damn Watch the Thrones drop. I had already got these. If I usually don't buy retail price or whatever. But if I think I would have tried to put off a little money to the side for the Watch the Thrones. Even to flip them. I think those are ones that will be able to flip. Those will be over retail game. But these right here, man, be happy. Love yours. Like Cole for halftime. Love yours. So, happy I got me a pair, man. And the reason why I like these over a lot of the LeBron 16s is because that red reflection, like in between the battle knit, they have that red reflection. Like a lot of those pairs don't have that reflection on there. And one more touch on these. Plus, I like the original colorways. Most of my LeBrons that I do have the original colorways. That is what I usually go for. With most of my shoes, like with those, with my my Jordans and stuff, like the newer Jordans, I usually try to get the first pair that drops. So that's another thing. And the third thing about these, why I like these over a lot of them, is the lion. All the pairs seem to have something different. They have I Am King, equality, Nike signs. They have all kind of other things. They have crowns in the back and stuff. I love that lion in the back. So, $108. Got these. They still have the insert in them. Some part they look a little ashy a little bit, but I don't see any imperfections. I don't see any knitting that's gone. I don't see any abrasions, anything that's real messed up. Pretty close to new. Close to new. Homeboy said he wore them like 2 or 3 times or whatever. Like, I'm happy. I don't have the original box, but it's not like he just sent me the shoe. I do have a box, so I know what they are. So I could have built a piece of tape or something and be like, LeBron 16. I know that what they are in the collection, so I can put them on the thing and be able to snatch them. But I'm happy to have these. The differences between these and the 15s, aesthetically, I kind of like the 15s, but comfort wise, they're comfortable, but hooping wise, I almost killed myself in those. These, like they have the three things, the three pods, individual. It's not all together, so maybe have a little more flexibility in them. And the tongue in the rest of the shoe, it isn't the same. Like it isn't that one booty. Like it's still attached to the shoe. Well, of course it's attached, but it's not the same. Like they have like a little opening. Like it's a little different. It's different. It's not the whole upper together as a one booty. So look like the lockdown might be a little better with this. One thing I like, but I'm never gonna mess with it. I like the extra holes. Like if you wanna lace them up differently right here, what I heard is hard. So I don't wanna mess with that. But I'm happy to add these into the collection, man. I've been wanting these, but now people are gonna be with the Watch the Thrones. Man, my dog the messed up thing too is even if I wanted them, the sneakers app hit me up and said, "Oh, LeBron, Watch the Thrones." I clicked the link, and you know what they brought me to? They brought me to the Supermans, to the white and blue Supermans, white and blue Superman 16s. I clicked on the Watch the Throne link, and it brought me to those. So even if I was trying to get them, I still would have been pretty fucked. Shout out to Ron Pickups, man. Ron Pickups, Ron Reviews, like big in the sneaker community, man. That's my dog. We really don't really chop it up too much. We used to chop it up a little bit more, but he texted me the link and stuff. He like, man, the Watch the Thrones, like just looking out for a brother, trying to let everybody know that they drop to pick it up if they want. So I appreciate him at least trying. See, I ain't had the bread on me to get them anyway, but good looking out. Sneakers app was tripping, so that's shit. I would like to watch Thrones at some point, but shit, I'm pretty sure they're gonna be high. I'm gonna give them some on foots on, and yeah, that's it. Holla at your boy. Like, comment, subscribe, gonna be greatest of the most hated. I'm end. No, I'm not gonna end with an on foot, because I'm gonna tell y'all how they feel on foot. But yeah.
I'm beefing with a nigga, I don't like you. Every time I see you, I'ma fight you. They'll do anything that can spite you. Say you hate me, but you always copy. You a fan of stand, don't understand why you knocking if it's in my plans. I just want the world inside my hands. Discourage every time you get a chance. I crawl, but you ain't care till I ran. Why my jaw bringing so much pain? Make you happy when I'm in the rain. Wanna see a nigga wet it up with no water, just be let it up. Shred it up with no way of getting up. No ICU and ain't no medicine. Can bring you back and make you better than. Check the scene and peep the evidence. Corporate victims and residents. If you paid attention, then you know that just the way the story always goes. Since 1982, been feeling low. I'm tired as hell when nigga need a blow. Not just a story, pay attention. I'm the one who killed me. Did I fail to mention? Sometimes I'm going crazy.
So I'm glad I didn't end this review, this unboxing off with the on foot, because to tell you about the fit of the shoe. Man, these shoes are comfortable. These shoes feel great on foot. I love how they feel. Like at hooping wise, I'm not sure. The only thing about it, like hooping wise, is I'm a guard. I'm a small guard. So, like shoes like Kyrie and stuff like that, we want to feel the court. We want to be on court. Like these make you feel higher. Like I'm 5'6". I feel like I'm probably about 5'8" in these. Like I feel very tall in these, man. Look, it feel like I got like that much cushion with these. So as far as like on court, I don't know if you're gonna feel the court the way that you would like to. And being that it's that high, if you hit it in a certain way, you possibly can roll your ankle. I think that was why I rolled my ankle in the 15s. The first time I wore them was because it was kind of high. So I think the highness of them, like if you're a heavier person, I think like it'll give more compression to the zoom unit, so you won't be as high. But I'm not really a heavy dude, so I don't really put too much compression on it. So I'm still very high in the shoe. Like for a heavier person like LeBron and them that's hooping, like I think they push the unit down enough to where they're not super high in the shoe, so it kind of will avoid the ankle stuff. Or you can wrap your ankle and get you a little extra support. I don't like to wrap my ankle, but other than that, like just if you want from casual use or something, or just something to rock, like I'm weird. Like I bought some BYW I forgot the name of them, the BYW tools, Adidas, with the big boost unit and stuff. These way more comfortable. Those are a little lighter, like because it's like a lifestyle shoe. But these are super comfortable. But I like basketball shoes also. Me, I take a good basketball shoe over a casual shoe, even though they're made for walking and lighter distribution and all that shit. I like a basketball shoe because I've been a hooper my whole life, so I'm more comfortable in a basketball shoe. But these are comfortable. If you want just a comfortable shoe, we'll try them on first. But for me, I love these. Like, this will be a daily wearer. I love how comfortable this shoe is. Hooping, I think I might still go to something else because I'm just scared of LeBron's. In hooping, like the soldiers and stuff, not as bad. But like, as high as this is, man, I'm scared of the ankle issue with maybe coming down on like how high it is. But I know this video long as hell, so like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated. Peace out. Hopefully you enjoyed it.